Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to do a very easy hair tutorial, and as you can see my hair is all there. I've just washed my hair so it shrinked. So I've just washed my hair and applied some coconut oil and a moisturizer. So that's just what I usually do. So we're going to do a very simple hair tutorial today, and I'm not going to use gel because I want it to have that natural look. And we're going to use the fluffy kinky. So here I have my fluffy kinky, and what I did is I just, fluffy kinky comes in packs. So this is, I used this to do my twist braids, and then I'm just reusing it again. So I guess everyone knows how fluffy kinky looks like. But anyway, so this is some of my fluffy kinky. I think this is just one pair of fluffy kinky. Then I just distributed into two, so I have like these two bunches that I'm going to use as hair extensions. And let's just go straight to what we're supposed to do. And for that, as I said, my hair is all clean, and I just did a parting. I don't know if it's straight, I'm not so sure, but I just did a parting, and we're just going to so yeah, let me not waste much of your time. So what I just did is I did a nice parting here, and I just did a nice parting, and I love bands, so let me not waste much of your time. Let's just So for this tutorial to work, you need to ensure that they're as high as possible. So this is just the overall look. So I've just simply done a simple band, nothing much. It's just a simple hair tutorial that I like doing. And after that, you just go ahead and take your fluffy kinky. Yeah, so just go ahead and take your fluffy kinky. So here is mine, and you just take a band and put it at the middle of it, so you have something like this with a band. Then I just always like to twist it like that to secure it more, and then just go ahead and put it in one of your band. Yeah, so you have something like this, and then just go ahead and take the second one. As I said, it's as easy and as simple as it can ever be, so yeah. Okay, so you just take this other one also, and you do the same thing to this side, just like that. Yeah, so you have this two of them. So now we are going we are just going to do not like bands, but we're going to do something like, what are they called, the flower things, a bow tie. Yeah, a bow tie. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to do a bow tie. So you have like two parts. You have this and this. So you just start by taking this in front and just bring it this way, and then you'll notice it will come up to here. and then you take this other behind. So I don't know if I should turn, but you just need to like take it behind like that, and then just like that. So you have two more. You have this and also this other one, so you need to also take this one again, like that. Then you take this behind, sorry, so you need to take this behind. So while you're taking it behind, you're just covering your other hair so that it cannot be seen, and you just do that. Because it's fluffy kinky, you know, it has that natural, so it will look like almost your hair. That's why I didn't want to apply gel, because gel tends to make your hair like slick down and so shiny. So I just wanted to have that rough, I don't know, let me say kinky look. So you have something like this is how it looks, and from behind this is what you get. Can't see myself, I hope it's okay. Yeah, so from behind this is what you get, and then now we're going to tie the bow. So it's like you have the bow now, and then you're going to tie it. So you just take another strand of your fluffy kinky. So you just take another strand of your fluffy kinky, and then we just want to do it. So what I do is I just find it easy doing it like this. So I just insert it here, because remember we had a pussycat thing at the middle, so it's easy. And then from your other arm you just pull it like that, so you have this and this. I apparently didn't pull this, so you have something like this. So you insert this again here, and then you pull it from here. So you bring it in and just like that, and behind also just like that, and there you go. I hope it's well kept. Yeah, so this is just that from behind, and it's very secured, like it's so secured, guys. So we can try and maybe accessorize it a bit, you know, add some glam. So I have this shiny silver, I can't see the gold ones, so I have this shiny gold, silver, whatever, these two things, the metal. So you can just accessorize it with it. Just add some accessories. So I'm doing both silver and gold. I'm telling you guys, when you have just one piece of hair, you just find almost everything to just make it work and look so classy. Because if I had many options, I don't think I would have ever done this to my hair. It's because I didn't have any options, and oh god, I was like, I need to do something different, and this is where I got. So yeah, hard situations can make you do very weird stuff anyway. So you can accessorize it as much as you want to like this. I think that's enough. I don't know, this side has less, so let's add one more. Yeah, there we go. So you have it, you know, it looks like your hair. You have just that natural, no gel, nothing, you know, just. Thank you so much for watching my video until the end. Thank you for your support. Yeah, if you do this, you can actually tag, if you do this hairstyle, you can tag me on my Insta, Samantha Adele. So thank you so much for everything. I love you guys. Share with your friends. Bye until next time. Next week, let's meet. Bye bye.